Alright, today we're going to show you how to install the basket on the Vita Xpress 4-wheel scooter, and it mounts right here on those two bolts right here. This is the basket. Let's go look at the parts that we have with this basket. So this basket right here, you will have the mounting bracket right here. You'll have two of these plates right here, and you have two of these little reinforcement plate right here, two silver screws, and 6 of these black ones here. This is all the parts that comes with your setup. So the first thing you'll do is you'll take your bracket right here, and you'll take your 2 silver screws, and you'll go to the scooter, and you'll mount this bracket on the scooter. Okay, so you'll mount the bracket on those 2 holes like this. So there goes one screw. If you screw in straight, it's a little bit easier. And I'm not going to tighten it all the way until I have the second one in there. So I'm going to put the second screw in here. Once I have both of them in there, then I'll tighten both of them up. Okay, now we got both of them in there. The second thing you'll do, you will take your basket and you'll take these 2 little plates here and 2 screws, and you'll bring the basket in like this. You'll put the basket on there, and then you will drop these 2 little plates right here. Let me take the screws out. These 2 little plates will drop inside the slots here in the bottom of the basket. Then you'll take your 2 screws and you'll screw those in. So you may not be able to see me, so let me switch this over to the small one. These are Allen screws, so you will need an Allen wrench. And I'm going to screw the first one, but I'm not going to go all the way tight until I have the second one in. Then usually what I do is I start over here, I put it on my wrench and I hold it. It gives me a little more flexibility. And then I'm going to start tightening them. We want them tight. We want to make sure the basket is tight against the thing right there. So I hold the basket and I'll tighten up these bolts. Alright, so now we're tight on there. Now the next thing we have the 4 screws left in the 2 plates. So you'll come over here with this, and the plates go right here in the front. There's 2 slots with 4 holes. So you will take your plate, you'll put a screw in it, and you'll put it in here. Of course, it's probably going to be a little bit tricky. We don't have the best lighting here. So there's 1 screw in there. And I'm going to turn it up. Okay? I'm going to put the other screw in the bottom of the plate, in the other hole. Get my tighten them up. Okay, when you have the other plate with the other 2 screws, find the little holes, start tightening them. On the last screw, alright, so we've got the 2 bottom ones in already. Now we've got these 2 clips, these 2 big ones with the 4 screws, and these are going to go in this way. Not long ways, but sideways. So they're going to go in this way, 1 bottom, 1 top. So I'm going to take the first one, alright, so we've got the 2 clips going this way, that way, with the 4 screws in there. That might be the hardest part of putting this basket on, is lining up the screws. Then you take your Allen wrench and you tighten up all 4 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one here. So now we have got a solid basket on the scooter. So this is how you install the basket on the Vita Xpress mobility scooter. This is how to install the basket.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.